This is 30 Days Spoken Ma Culture and Language Orientation. My name is Teto Oletutuma. In this video number 10, today we begin looking at beliefs of the Maasai. And to be very honest, the Maasai are very spiritual people. I will say this with all due respect. First of all, Maasai have an acknowledgement of deities. Enkai, yes, of whom they have a reference for several gods, yes, Enkai Narok, Enkai Nanyugi. And this they have always had in form of mythology to sort of explain thunder and lightning during a storm, to imply that the black god, who is a good god, and the red god, who is a malicious god, are having a duel. Always the black god needing people to have rain, and the red god wanting or wishing to stop the black god from giving people their needs, asserting that the black god is spoiling humanity. So, as the Maasai belief system states, we still shall continue to see this duel between the black god and the red god. Another important aspect of their conviction and belief as well is the existence of devil. The Maasai believe that there exists a creature that is half man, half unknown, and normally it lives on a certain tree plant called Osilali. The most interesting thing is that the Maasai presume that if you are walking along in the bush, should you hear something calling you in the sense, "My child, come help me lift this firewood," beware, because normally that is the devil calling out to you. And the belief is the devil does not eat nothing else except humans. And should you heed the call to help an old lady pick her firewood, then you will have been set up for a trap to be devoured by a devil. The Maasai also have a reverence for celestial bodies or heavenly bodies, including the stars, the sun, the moon, and the seasons and the weather patterns. Also believing that some birds and animals have divinatory powers. They can help people to foretell, things that have happened, or to see into the future. So basically, their belief system is centered around, first of all, supernatural beings, existence of supernatural being in the sense of gods or a devil, and as well a reverence to astrological bodies, including the sun, the moon, and the stars. In the next video, we are going to look at significantly what role each particular heavenly body, including the sun, the moon, and the stars, played. The sun as well, the earth and the sky, what roles they played, and as well as be able to look at some of these animals, including their lunar calendar. Yes, the Maasai believe in a lunar cycle, which is 12 months in a year. And we're going to look as well at these months and see what their names are in Maasai. And so until tomorrow's video, see you.